Today's going to be our last lesson on our unit on shapes, and the goal is I can make sense of problems. This is going to look similar to one we did earlier, so this is just kind of review. Look at all these triangles. I wonder what is true about all these triangles. Have three sides, are yellow, are big, or have three vertices. Well, hopefully by now you know that all triangles have three sides. All triangles aren't yellow. They're not all big, be a small triangle. Three vertices, 1, 2, 3. So the correct answers were have three sides and have three vertices. All right, this one, take a look at it. What's true about all squares? They're all green, all 4 equal sides, all big, or all have 4 vertices. And if you want to get your Show Me app out, you can write that down. I'm getting mine out right now. Okay, so green. No, we know all squares aren't green. 4 equal sides. Remember, the word equal means same. All 4 sides are the same length. That's what makes it a square and not a rectangle, is that each side is the same. So yes, all squares have 4 equal sides. All big. Not all big. This one's pretty small. And 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. They all have 4 vertices. What's true about all cones? They're all purple. All have one flat surface. All big, and all have one edge. Go ahead and write down your answer. Hopefully by now you know that the color and the size doesn't matter. So the answer was one flat surface and one edge. What's true about all cubes? All pink, all square faces. What that means is, like, remember, these are the faces, is each face a square. 8 vertices, 12 edges. Give you a second to think about that one. And now I get a little trickier because I know that these are just drawings of cubes and they're not actual cubes. So I have this tissue box. This is pretty close to a cube. Now, all cubes are not pink. What about the square faces? You can see it pretty well on this. Each face is a square. If they're not squares and they're rectangles, then it's going to be a rectangular prism. So yes, they all have square faces. Eight vertices. Let's take a look at this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, yes, they all have 8 vertices. And 12 edges. Take a look again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges. So this one actually had 3 correct answers. How you feeling? Again, this is just review, so hopefully you're doing okay. Parker's sorting blocks. He wants to put any shapes with 4 vertices in a pile. Use the letters to tell which shapes he will put into each pile. Okay, so remember, he's having a pile of blocks, and all the blocks have 4 vertices. Take a look at that. Let's start with A. A triangle just has 3 vertices, so not A. B, 4 vertices, so that's going to be one of them. C is a circle, doesn't have any. D, the trapezoid, also has 4. Let's take a look at E. Also 4 vertices. F. This one's a little tricky because in the front, yes, there are 4 vertices, but remember, it's a cube, so it's 3-dimensional, which means we have more vertices back here. So if you remember from the last one, a cube has 8 vertices, so not F. And then G, a rectangle has also 4 vertices. So B, D, E, and G would go into that pile. And then finally, how many flat surfaces does a cone have? All right, so a cone has a flat surface here. It kind of looks flat in this picture, but think about a real cone, like an ice cream cone. This is not a flat surface, it's curving around. So we really just have this one flat surface here. So the correct answer is C. And that's going to be it for today.